Welcome back to theheatingpro.com. I'm Roger, and today we're going to be looking at the Nest thermostat. The first video is going to be basically just unboxing it and seeing what's in there. I'm going to slide the lid off, and we're presented with a stat at the top of the box. There's a protective plastic cap on there. We'll just take that off. And now we've got the stat. On the front of there's a protective scratch proof plastic. We'll set that to one side, lift the next panel out, and we've got a brown envelope there. This brown envelope includes the instructions, all the instructions there about how to wire it, the different types of wiring, the different types of system, the setup, the programming, and how to get the best out of it. This next bit of kit is the heat link. It's the heat link that we will connect to the boiler. And then the next piece is the mounting plate. It's this that we actually connect to the wall and the stat clips into. We have some screws there, the typical Nest screws, pretty good quality screws. And the final piece coming out now. And we have a mounting plate. We can use the mounting plate if we have a larger electrical back box that we need to cover. And as you can see, that's the box empty. So if you'd like to see the further videos, click subscribe and like this video, and click the bell for video notifications.